Peter Thiel took a $2,000 Roth IRA and turned it into $5 billion tax-free. Mitt Romney built a $102 million account. They use the exact same strategy I'm going to show you today, the Mega Backdoor Roth IRA. Whether you're a W-2 employee making $150,000 a year or a $2 million plus service-based business, this is a strategy that can help you save millions of dollars. Hey, I'm Lloyd. In the next 7 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how you can put this strategy to work. Before we dive in, if you're a service-based business owner with $2 million or more of annual revenue and want to use this strategy coupled with hundreds of thousands of dollars of tax deferrals, click the link below so we can get started on a free tax assessment for you. Quick question for you. Are you a W-2 or business owner? Please type W-2 or business in the comments below so I know how to send you the best next steps. Here's the problem. The Roth IRA is the best retirement account in America. It's got tax-free growth, tax-free withdrawals forever. But for 2025, if you're single and make over $150,000 or married filing jointly making over $230,000, you're locked out from making a contribution to Roth IRA, which means you cannot contribute directly. So how did Peter Thiel and Mitt Romney get in? They didn't ask permission, they used the backdoor. And today we're going to learn both versions, the backdoor and the mega backdoor, that helps you get to $1 million in 10 years instead of 32. The backdoor Roth is your baseline. There are 3 simple steps. Number 1, fund a traditional IRA up to its limit. Currently $7,000 if you're under 50, $8,000 if you're older, as a non-deductible contribution. This is not a tax deduction for you. Step 2, immediately convert that traditional IRA into a Roth IRA. There's no income limits on conversion. That's a legal tax loophole. In step 3, file Form 8606 with your tax return. This lets the IRS know that you made a contribution to a non-deductible account, so when you withdraw it, you will not pay taxes on it. There's something that's really important to make sure you understand. If you have any money in an IRA, SEP, or simple IRA, you will get partially taxed based upon the balance on your contribution amount. This only works tax-free if you don't have any money sitting in your regular IRA accounts. Consult with your tax strategist before you make any contributions if you have any of these type of accounts. So what's the timeline? Starting at 30, let's assume 8% return. You'll hit $1 million in 32 years. That's retirement at 62. Solid plan, but we can accelerate this massively. Quick question for you. If you've got any pre-tax money sitting in an IRA, SEP, or simple, and you're considering this strategy, just hit in the comments below so we can make sure we get the right information to you. So if you're a business owner making $2 million plus, you're thinking $7,000, that's just not that big of a deal to me. And you're right, it's not. That's why we layer these with other type of retirement accounts that can put hundreds of thousands of dollars in addition to what you can do with those traditional accounts. Then you start getting some real tax savings. But the mega backdoor that I'm getting ready to show you about is the foundation for all of this. Pay attention, this is where it gets powerful. The mega backdoor Roth lets you fund $70,000 or more into tax-free growth. This is how you hit $1 million in 10 years instead of 32. But there's a catch. Your 401k plan must have a couple of provisions built into it. It must allow for after-tax contributions. This is different than Roth contributions. And number 2, it must allow for in-service distributions or in-plan Roth conversions. Hit up your HR department with these questions so you can find out if you can take advantage of the mega backdoor. If not, talk to them about amending your 401k plan. Amendments are allowed as well. All right, let's say we got this sorted out and it's a yes for you now. Here's your 4-step playbook. Step 1, max out your regular 401k. It's $23,500 in 2025. If you're 50 or over, it's more. Learn your limits and max out your plan. After your employer match, let's say it's $10,000. You've got $33,500 in your bucket. The IRS limit is currently $70,000 or $76,250 if your age is 60 to 63. You dump the remaining $36,500 in as after-tax contributions. Step 3, immediately convert these dollars into a Roth IRA 401k or IRA depending upon how your plan is structured. Step 4, watch them grow tax-free. It's important to remember that contribution limits change on an annual basis. So based upon the current year that you're contributing, make sure that you're maximizing the amount that you can contribute. Now here's where $2 million plus business owners separate themselves from everyone else. You're not limited to just the Mega Backdoor Roth. I've got a client running a $3.2 million consulting firm. We implemented the Mega Backdoor Roth. then later a cash balance plan on top. They had $250,000 of contributions in the current year and over $170,000 of tax deduction. That's the difference between employee strategies and business owner strategies. Same foundation, exponentially better results. If you want to see how this works for your specific business, click the link below. We'll find a time to show you how it all works. So what does a backdoor acceleration look like? A 30-year-old using a Mega Backdoor Roth hits $1 million in just 10 years. A 50-year-old gets there in 9 years. Compare that to 32 years with the standard Backdoor Roth. This is how you build generational wealth by design, not by default. Does your 401k plan allow for after-tax contributions? In the comments below, hit yes, no, or I don't know. I'll reply with your exact next step. Quick update for 2026. The IRA limits are jumping to $7,500, and the total projected 401k limits are expected to exceed $71,000. As I said earlier, these adjust on an annual basis. Make sure you're maximizing your contributions. It's important to note, the government is expanding this opportunity so you can put more and more money away to work for you. Interested in continuing to learn more and more about how to save money on your taxes? Hit the subscribe button so you can make sure that you get our next video. Business owners with $2 million or more in revenue, click the button below and find a time for us to talk. We'll go through your situation and give you analysis of how much you're wasting and what we can do to help improve your tax situation. Thanks for watching and look forward to seeing you on the next video.